Hi everyone, I'm Maleah from Wa Samaki Ecosystems and we're back today cooking on our rocket stove. So in the last episode we built this rocket stove from clay and sand and our clay bricks, and today we are going to make purple Kush Kush yam mash and a tomato stewed chickpeas. So this is our purple Kush Kush vine. So it's this kind of thick vine over here. Looks pretty snaky. And right at the bottom here is the root. So we've already dug up around it. So just to break this off. So you can see that it's purple on the inside. Right, this is gonna make a yummy lunch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is peel our purple Kush Kush yam that we just dug out of the ground. So after you thoroughly wash it, you just cut off the ends. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Go over our compost bowl and peel it. You can actually replant the skins of the Kush Kush and that will make new plants. They have like a white one and a yellow one, but the purple is the most sought after. Okay, so we're putting ginger and turmeric in our stewed chickpeas just because it has a lot of good medicinal benefits, as well as it just adds a nice flavor, and it's grown at Wa Samaki, so we just try to use whatever is in season at the moment.
And all the gravel and everything comes down here, so fresh local.
Add some oil, just a little cinnamon, a little bit of paprika, okay, and now that our spices are nice and toasted, we're going to add in our onions, pimentos, and let that saute a little bit. And then I'm going to add in some fresh tomatoes. So I have some raw cashews just soaking in hot water for the last hour, hour and a half. And that's just going to go right into the blender. Stove is really hot, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Let that reduce, and then we're going to add our fresh cashew milk. We just pour in what we just blended, which is cashews and water, into our cheesecloth. All four sides up. And you just squeeze out the milk. I like cashew milk because when it's reduced it becomes nice and creamy, but you can use coconut milk or you could even just use regular cooking cream. And add it in to our tomato mixture. Chickpeas or Channa. These I just soaked overnight and then pressure cooked them for about 9 minutes until they're soft. Alright, that goes in. What we call sweet leaf or katuk. It's really high in iron. Much higher than any green that you can buy in the grocery. So it's really good to add to your food. It's a little bit wilted because we picked it in the middle of the day, but it's good to eat. Okay, so now we're gonna just strain Kush Kush yam. So these are onions and pimentos. The pimentos were grown here at Wa Samaki. Taste this and see if it has enough salt. Nice. Off the stem.
What is this going to do to the stew?
Open this up. Add it in. Stir it around. Right. Okay, so here we have our purple Kush Kush mash and our tomato stewed chickpeas with sweet leaf and fresh cashew milk. Comforting, fresh, perfect.